Guys, welcome to #Mia. Today we're going to be opening a package. Staffing infused trim resolution cube. Trim cube presents the cutting edge when it comes to resorting and protecting your plastic trim. They were developed the same way all lithium products are. Formula will last longer than any product on the market, guaranteed. Up to 250 washes. Super easy to use. Kit comes complete with sponge applicators and protective gloves. Material data sheets available at www.lithiumautoCare.com.
Okay, so this is from Lithium. I like their little mailer. It says, "It's your time to shine." Lithium G Series graphene-infused trim restoration cubes.
Hi guys, welcome to #Mia. Today we're testing out these little products that we read yesterday to the test. Will they actually work on my mom's car?
So we're going to do this little bit of trim right here.
I'm wearing a jacket.
And then we're going to see if the trim restoration cubes work. You ready?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Give me the gloves.
There is panel prep. Here's all the little trim cubes.
I don't really use trim cubes. This is my first time.
Me too. You gotta do safety first, right?
Safety always is first, not safety last. Safety first. If somebody gets it on their skin, we have to call an emergency service immediately. Those are all the reasons. If it gets on your skin,
okay. Well, we won't get it on our skin. How about that?
Or if you drink it or swallow it.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
And if it gets on your skin, which?
Okay, so we're gonna open the panel prep. This is the strip product. Pretty much just isopropyl alcohol.
Don't drink it.
Like to use a scrub ninja or a ninja scrubber?
Yeah, I always use scrub ninjas.
How it works?
I'm gonna go back right now. And record you from far away.
Alright, so we have all this trim right here wiped down with the isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so here is our package of trim cube. I'm going to go ahead and open this, and then we are going to start. Okay, and that is the trim cube.
So very slippery.
Now you can see the difference between here and here, and it looks a lot darker, right?
And cleaner. I'm gonna be recording now.
Okay, so we're moving along, and we're doing the rear door of the trim, and going back and forth, up and down. We're cross hatching all of this. What do you think? How's that look? It's a little dark. A little bit darker than I usually like. But it's really easy to use.
You have to put it at different angles, as it can see your face.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I better see your face. As you can see. How is this supposed to go, you might be asking? It's because science. The alcohol makes it ready for it to do, and it's more cleaner when you use alcohol, and you mix it in with the microfiber, and it makes a new coat because of science. If it gets too light, that means you've been overusing it. If I had my own trim cube, what color would you think I would do it?
Restoration trim.
ASMR.
We just got done trying out the lithium trim cubes, the restoration cubes for trim, for your exterior trim, for your, the stuff that fades and starts to look bad after a while. I was told to try these out by Fred from GloveBox. I'm not usually a fan of like chemicals within the sponge, kind of like wipes, things like that. Those are not really the best products. So I did want to try it out just to see. I thought it'd be a fun little experiment for Mia and me. As far as using the cube, it is tiny. It's very hard to hold on to. It's similar to doing ceramic coating, like these small ceramic blocks. I can't use them anymore. My hands start to hurt, so I use the much larger coating savers. Same thing, I would prefer a much larger sponge or pad for this. Um, Very dark, very shiny. I tried to buff it down and kill some of the gloss. It did not seem to work, which is kind of I don't really like high shine. I don't like the shiny wet plastic or shiny like tires. I like a nice matte, clean look. So it doesn't look the best to me as of right now. We'll see if it fades as it dries and cures and all those things. But I'll take some more pictures. We'll let you update. And if you're looking for that wet shiny look or you're looking for protection for your trim, try them out. Give them a try. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, this is Mia from the editor station.